Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious enchiladas at home. First, gather all your ingredients like tortillas, your chosen protein, sauce, and cheese. Next, prepare your filling by cooking and seasoning your meat or vegetables to perfection. Finally, gently warm your tortillas. This simple step makes them much easier to roll without tearing, ensuring your enchiladas hold together beautifully. Now let's assemble. Dip each tortilla into warm enchilada sauce. This softens them and infuses flavor. Then place a generous portion of your delicious filling right down the center. Carefully roll each tortilla tightly, making sure the filling stays inside. Arrange them seam side down in your baking dish, ready for the next step. This method ensures a neat and tasty result.
If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. On another note, if you're looking for a book that can truly change how you think about money, check out The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic read. You can find the link to the book and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
With your enchiladas neatly arranged, pour the remaining sauce evenly over them. Next, sprinkle a generous layer of your favorite shredded cheese on top. Bake them in a preheated oven until the cheese is beautifully melted and bubbly and the enchiladas are heated through. This usually takes about 20 to 25 minutes. Serve hot and enjoy. Don't be afraid to get creative with your enchiladas. You can experiment with different proteins like shredded chicken, ground beef, or even black beans for a vegetarian option. Explore various sauces, from a classic red chili to a zesty green chili. Finish with garnishes like fresh cilantro, a dollop of sour cream, or sliced avocado for extra flair.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.